Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and for the next days. Of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to take easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Ethereum against USDT chart. Right here, what do we have is that we had a nice pump, right? Nice pump, and we still have it. You can see Ethereum is building up all the way. It is doing good against Bitcoin chart right here. But if we do not close above the 1.1k in the 4-hour frame, we are not going to go to the next target, which is the 1138. So the next price target is the 1138. To be honest with you, I expected the weekly frame to open bullish, okay, because this is what happens usually. It opens up bullish and then we go down. But for now, for the time being, we had something good as well. This weekly low did not close below the weekly low we had on 13 June. However, we can also see an institutional gap. What is an institutional gap? It is when institutions buy in so they can sell or short later in a better price. So what happens is they buy in, they sell around here, and then they form the institutional gap, which is an upper shadow, and then we go down, right? Okay, so I'm going to tell you what is an institutional gap. This here is an institutional gap. Right here, okay, they bought the price back in and then we had a crash going on, all right? So therefore, this could be the case, right? Okay, this could be the case that we should be going further down, all right? So in order to protect from this price behavior, what you need to do is to follow the targets. And right now for Ethereum against USDT, 1.1k, look at that. Okay, so 1139, all right, and eventually 1172.37. Okay, so we have these three targets right here as our major targets. If we could close above the 1172, this would be an entry point to go long. But for now, unfortunately, it is not, as we haven't even closed above the 1.1k, and maybe we won't be closing. For example, maybe we go further down, right? Maybe BTC corrects. Okay, so be careful a little bit for now. As for the next few weeks, what I'm seeing about Ethereum right here. Okay, many people are asking me, Bill, what are you seeing? The monthly close was not the best. All right, was not the best. Usually after these monthly closes, we have a correction. Back on the pandemic, we didn't. Okay. So you eventually can see on 1st March we had a minus 40% correction, but thereafter it was a great rebound candlestick. Okay, so same happens right here, but most of the cases it is like we form an institutional gap on the monthly scale and we go further down. Alright, so therefore this is the case for Ethereum against the USDT chart. Most of the times we go a little bit upwards right here and then we eventually crumble down. I want you to be extremely careful, as we might have a kind of a similar situation right here with Ethereum against USDT chart. We might not close above right here, and these 4-hour frames, the plus 4.77, happen all the time. All right, we need to see though if we are strong enough, and I do not think even with this price pump we are strong enough. For BTC against USDT chart right here on the daily frame, we had a nice pump, right? And eventually we have something that we could be saying that it is kind of a bullish RSI divergence, but between these two lows right here, not with this, because we didn't form a lower low right here. Okay, but eventually, yeah, it looked very good. We pumped a little bit today, but nothing special. We are still in the 50-day exponential moving average that we want to see whether we can go all the way up higher or not, because BTC right here, look at that, it is finding rejection on the 50-day MA, at least for now. If we can manage to find it at support level and have a nice bounce above the 50-day MA, we might have a chance into revisiting the 20.8k area. But for now, as long as we are keep getting rejected from the 50-day MA, I would suggest you to please wait a little bit, stay away from the market right now, especially long positions. You can get liquidated pretty easily and this will hurt, right? This will hurt your portfolio. For Ethereum against USDT chart right here, you know these targets. If we do not close above the 1.1k, please do not enter. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Bye.